Hello again, my name is Cord Sangsteak. I'm a design engineer here at Sheldon Manufacturing, and today I'm going to be introducing the SMI12 Stackable Microbiological Incubator. Designed for microbiological, pharmaceutical, and research applications, the SMI12 provides unmatched temperature stability and uniformity. With its stackable design, you get double the capacity without taking up extra lab space, perfect for high-volume testing environments. Now, let's take a look inside the unit. The SMI12 is a stacked version of two SMI6s, meaning the lower and the upper chamber are identical. The first thing that you will notice is the unique double door design, featuring a heated outer door, as well as a tempered glass inner door for viewing. They also feature a double gasket design, providing an excellent seal between inside and outside your chamber. Located on the right side of the chamber, you will find a 1 3/4 inch access port to allow you to pass anything into the chamber that you want. Located in the rear, you will see a 1 amp accessory power outlet to power any auxiliary devices you want to have inside the chamber while it's running. The spacious design of both, featuring 6 cubic foot and 6 cubic foot, allows space for 6 shelves in each. Last, both chambers have been constructed with corrosion-resistant materials to help increase the longevity of your unit. Now, let's take a look at the left side of the unit. The first thing that you will notice is the main power inlet. Each unit is included with 2 compatible power cords. These must be connected to a properly grounded electrical outlet for safe operation. For further information related to electrical safety, as well as installation instructions, such as clearances, please visit your user manual. Both power inlets feature an externally located fuse drawer to make replacing the fuse as easy as possible. Available for purchase on our website are various 24-volt direct current accessories. If you do choose to use these, they're connected with this expansion port here. Now let's take a look at the right side of the unit. On this side, you will find the other end of the 1 3/4 inch access port that we mentioned earlier, as well as the various data logging functions. We have 2 analog ports, 1 for alarm and 1 for temperature, as well as a USB digital data logging option as well. After connecting to power, you're ready to turn your unit on. Both stacked versions use a 7-inch full-color touchscreen control panel. This is where various temperature settings, as well as data logging and system settings of the unit are located. Last, we have an over-temperature limiter. This is a mechanical option to help prevent overheating of your unit. The SMI12 Stackable Microbiological Incubator offered by Sheldon Manufacturing is a value-added investment for researchers and labs looking for reliable, high-performance equipment for diverse applications. This incubator is built to meet the most demanding needs of microbiological, pharmaceutical, and clinical research labs.